Mbunge ya Senate ni amurete kamiti ya maseneta ikumi na umwe aria meguthikiriria cira wa kuhagurwo kwa gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza.
To that extent you are out of order and you may...
Hindi ya ndereti ino ni kugire na ngucanio ya kana cira wa Kawira uguthikiririo ni kamiti ya andu ikumi na umwe na kana wariririo king'ang'a-ini ni maseneta mothe 67 guku seneta wa Nandi Samson Cherargei akiuga muingi nduri na mwihoko na kamiti.
History will judge us harshly. All impeachment proceedings that have gone to committee have become negative. They have become like laundry processes where governors who accusations are faced have come back, and many people are not correcting this, Mr. Speaker.
Seneta wa guthukio Gloria Orwamba niyokirire kuumbwo kwa kamiti wa kiuga ndire na atumia kuigana na gukuruhanio kwa maseneta aria mari magavana hau kabere gutingihokwo.
And when you look at the committee, a committee of 11 people who are going to actually impeach or not impeach a woman governor, we only have 3 women.
I would want to understand where Senator Gloria is getting this impression that somehow the question of the impeachment of the governor of Meru has anything to do with her gender.
You have 2 former governors sitting in the committee. This is an issue about impeaching a governor. And then you have 2 former governors sitting in that committee. I have to raise my eyebrow and ask myself, is it going to be fair hearing?
There are former fishermen here, there are former touts, there are former herders, there are former governors. Please let her show me which standing order says a former governor should not serve in any particular committee of this particular house.
Hamwe na maseneta aria maheirwo wigiririku wa guthikiriria cira wa Kawira ni muhuri musharica wa aria ingi na seneta wa Kameme Boni Halwale, Jackson Madago wa Nsingishu, Karugo wa Thang'wa wa Kiabu na Aliroba wa Madera. Agini Eddie Okech wa Migori, Joseph Kamau wa Lamu, Edwin Sifuna wa Nairobi, Agnes Kavidu wa Machakos, Jones Mwaruma wa Taita Taveta, hamwe na maseneta guthukio Esther Okenyuri na Peris Tobiko. Okaida-ini okau gikundi kia atumia atongoria na athomi kuma kaunti-ini ya Meru nikiyumiritie guthing'iriria mbunge ya Senate ikindire kuhagurwo gwa Kawira ta gavana wa kaunti ya Meru, ikiuga kwa ihinda riria akoretwo wabici ya mieri 3 Kawira nionanitie ndari na umenyo kana uhoti wa gutongoria kaunti ya Meru.
We note that Kawira Mwangaza is indeed a victim of the Peter Principle, having ascended to governorship with a level of respective incompetence. Her managerial and leadership skills are wanting, and this poses the danger of stalling operations in the Meru County government.
Nimogerire kuga kuhagurwo gwa Kawira no kuo kihonia kia ngucanio cia utongoria gomeire kaunti ya Meru, kwaga uguo muingi wa Meru niguo kugirikane wagi wa motungata mabata amu Kawira ni koigi uteragwo. Ona kuri uguo gikundi kienge ni kiyumiritie na kuria President William Ruto aigirire na honokie gavana Kawira kwaga uguo buje thirikari ya Meru muingi wa mwena ucio utwithanie ngano na thawani.
Mama anapigwa kisiasa, tafadhali simama na yeye, hakuna sheria amevunja, hata huyu bwana yake Murega Baichu. Boy child should be protected. Yes. Boy child should be protected.
Oho, gikundi giki ni giteteire gavana Kawira gikiuga ihinda riria akoretwo wabici itire iganu ria kuga ni aremetwo ni wira kuri riu morotete atongoria matiganite kaunti-ini ya Meru makiuga nio maracogera kuhagurwo gwa Kawira. Riu gavana Kawira egwetire ihinda ria thiku 10 ciukite kumenya itua riria rigakinyanirio ni kamiti ino. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.